Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the intermediate steering shaft on your Jeep Wrangler. This process should be the same on your CJ, your YJ, your TJ. It's pretty easy to do. It is like a safety thing if it does get loose. So I'll show you how to check it, what to look for, and when you should replace it. But remember, before I get into this, remember to like the video, give it a thumb if you like it, comment if you have a question, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and let's get rolling on this. Alright, so first things first, you gotta raise the hood on this thing. So you're gonna want to come over to the driver's side. Your steering shaft will be on your driver's side, and there's like a U-joint here where the steering shaft comes through the firewall. And it goes all the way down, into the rack down there, and it connects to another U-joint down there. So I replaced this one, so there's not going to be any play in it. But what you want to do is kind of put your hand under it and shake it up and down. If there's a lot of play in it, you're going to want to replace it. Because what can happen over time is those U-joints can fail. You don't want to be driving down the road, especially with oversized tires, and have the thing fail on you, because then you'll lose the steering of the vehicle. So you don't want that to have you don't want to have that happen. So it's kind of like I replaced mine on this one when I first got it. It was really, really bad, and it was easy to do. There's only a couple of bolts. There's a bolt on this end and a bolt at the other end, and basically just undo the bolts, and it should tap right off for you. And the middle right here has like a joint, so the shaft will slip in, it'll slip out, so you can extend it a little bit so it's easy to put back in. It's kind of a quick, easy one today. Just wanted to show you guys what to look out for, and just kind of a quick safety tip for you Wrangler guys out there. If you have any comments or questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.